Good morning, children. Again, we are joining here for session 3 for today. And as I told you, that will be adding one more illustration into it so that very comfortably you can solve all the questions in the assignment which I am going to give to you as weekend assignment. Now, this is question 2 where we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Right? Let's read the question very carefully. The partnership agreement of Manish and Girish provides that first, the profits will be shared equally. Second, Manish will be allowed a salary of rupees 400 per month. Please underline this thing. This is 400 per month. Then Girish will be allowed a commission equal to 10% of net profit after allowing Manish's salary. That means from the net profit which are given, we have to deduct Manish's salary and then we have to calculate 10% of that as Girish's commission, the commission to be provided to Girish. Then 7% interest will be allowed on partner's fixed capital. Please note, it is fixed capital. That means all the adjustments will be done using current account of the partner. Then again note, 5% interest is will be charged on partners annual drawings. 5% interest will be charged on partners annual drawing with 5% per annum word is not written. So it is 5% of the amount of drawings irrespective of the period. So immaterial that drawings were done on which date, flat 5% rate of interest will be charged on drawings. Now, fixed capital of Manish and Girish are given 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 respectively. Their annual drawings are given 16,000 and 14,000. Now let's calculate here itself. 7% interest on partners fixed capital, 7% of 1 lakh 7,000. 7% of 80,000, 5,600. Annual drawings 16,000, 5% of 16,000, flat rate 5%. It is 800. Then 5% of 14,000, 700. Very clearly we have calculated. Then the net profit for the year ended March 31st, 2019 amounted to rupees 40,000. Right? Let's start solving the question, children. Right? Let's move further, solve the question. See how profit and loss appropriation account will be made. See here. On the credit side, first of all, we'll be putting the net profit, which is by profit and loss account 40,000. Then by interest on drawings account, Manish 800. It is 5% of 16,000. Girish 700. It is 5% of 14,000. Right? So total interest on capital is 1,500. Moving on to the other side, it is two partners' salary. Partner's salary was, just see, as per question, it was 400 per month. 400 per month means multiplied by 12, it becomes 4,800. Right? Now, commission to Girish. 10% of net profit after deducting partner's salary, Manish's salary. So it is 40,000 minus 4,800 is the amount. So it becomes 35,200. 10% of that comes out to be 3,520. Then to interest on capital, it was 7% of 1 lakh, that is 7,000. 7% of 80,000, that is 5,600. Total payment by way of interest on capital is 12,600. Then to profit transferred to current account. Please underline this word current account. This is very important that we are using current account because we are here having the fixed capital account system. So all adjustments have to be passed through current accounts. So Manish 10,290, Girish 10,290. How we have arrived at this figure, children? We did the total of credit side 41,500. Out of that we deducted the total of the three items 4,800, 3,520, 12,600, and as balancing figure we got the distributable profit, that is 20,580, which was divided equally because in the first point itself they said equal ratio is there. So equally between two partners. So 10,290 given to both the partners. fundamentals. I hope this preparation of profit and loss account is quite clear to the children, right? Now, you can go through all the illustrations again and again. In case you have any doubt in the assignment question, these illustrations are going to help you in solving them. All the doubts will get clear. Otherwise, in case you have still more doubts, then ask me. Feel free to ask me about the clarification of doubt on the personal chat. Right? I hope this is clear, children. To all of you, thank you all. Now, I'll be putting the assignment and please do attempt the assignment question. Weekend assignment should be finished during the weekend, and then we will see you on Monday with more topics of fundamentals. Thank you, children.